Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to Nine Nar Trees podcast. Today, I will summarize and review the book. Thomas Edelson's Financial Statements, a step-by-step guide to understanding and creating financial reports, is a compelling and insightful resource designed for individuals seeking to master the art of interpreting and crafting financial reports. With over 200,000 copies sold, this book has established itself as a pivotal guide for novices and seasoned professionals alike who wish to deepen their understanding of financial documents. Edelson's approachable writing style demystifies the complex world of financial reporting, making it accessible to readers regardless of their financial background. Through meticulous explanations, real-world examples, and practical exercises, the book equips readers with the tools needed to navigate through the nuances of financial statements, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports. Edelson's work is more than just a textbook. It's a roadmap to financial literacy in the business world. I will give you key takeaways from this book. Firstly, understanding financial statements. At the heart of Thomas Edelson's guide is the fundamental concept that financial statements are not merely numbers on a page. They are a narrative. This narrative tells the story of a company's financial health, past performance, and future potential. Edelson breaks down complex financial terminology and concepts into understandable language, ensuring readers from any background can grasp the significance of these documents. From balance sheets that offer a snapshot of a company's financial position at a certain point in time, to income statements that showcase the company's revenue and expenses over a period, the author illustrates how to interpret these key components with clarity and precision. Cash flow statements, another crucial aspect, are explained as the indicators of a company's liquidity and ability to sustain operations. By the end of this section, readers are not just fluent in reading these statements, but are also able to discern the financial narrative they unfold. Secondly, creating financial reports. Beyond interpreting financial statements, Edelson empowers readers with the ability to create their financial reports. This skill is vital for anyone running a business or aspiring to start one. The author meticulously walks through the steps of generating these reports, underscoring the importance of accuracy and transparency. He outlines how to compile data from various transactions and operations into coherent, comprehensive financial statements. Topics such as depreciating assets, recognizing revenue, and accounting for debts and liabilities are presented not as daunting tasks, but as part of a manageable process. Readers learn to approach these tasks systematically, ensuring that the resulting financial reports are not only compliant with standard accounting principles, but also valuable tools for decision-making. Edelson's guidelines serve as a blueprint for financial reporting that readers can apply in real-world scenarios. Thirdly, analyzing financial performance. Edelson's guide also delves into the analysis of financial performance, a crucial aspect for stakeholders aiming to make informed decisions. Through a series of examples and exercises, readers learn how to use financial statements to evaluate a company's profitability, liquidity, and solvency. Key performance indicators, KPIs, ratios, and benchmarks are introduced as tools for this analysis, providing insight into how well a company is managing its resources. The author teaches readers how to look beyond the numbers to understand factors such as market conditions, competition, and internal operations that influence financial outcomes. This knowledge is indispensable for investors, managers, and business owners who need to assess the effectiveness of their strategies and identify areas for improvement. Edelson provides a solid foundation for analyzing financial data, helping readers to draw meaningful conclusions about a company's financial health. Fourthly, financial projections and future planning. Planning for the future is an integral part of business management, and Edelson dedicates a significant portion of the book to financial projections and future planning. He guides readers through the process of using historical financial data to forecast future performance. This predictive aspect of financial management involves understanding trends, assessing market potential, and realizing the impact of different strategies on a company's finances. The author emphasizes the importance of realistic and conservative projections, warning against the dangers of over-optimism. Through practical examples, he shows how projected income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets can be constructed to simulate various future scenarios. This segment prepares readers for strategic financial planning, equipping them with the foresight needed to steer their businesses or investments towards long-term success. Lastly, communicating financial information. The final pivotal topic Edelson touches upon is the art and science of communicating financial information effectively. Whether it's within a corporate setting, to investors, or in the context of securing loans, the way financial data is presented can significantly impact decision-making. The author stresses the importance of clarity, honesty, and strategic emphasis in financial communication. He offers tips on creating reports and presentations that highlight a company's strengths while being transparent about its challenges. This section is invaluable for anyone who needs to share financial data with stakeholders, providing strategies to ensure that the message is both persuasive and truthful. Edelson's advice on financial communication bridges the gap between numbers and narrative, emphasizing that presenting financial information is as much about storytelling as it is about analysis. In conclusion, Thomas Edelson's Financial Statements, a step-by-step guide to understanding and creating financial reports, is an indispensable resource for anyone who interacts with financial data, whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a seasoned professional seeking to refine your financial literacy. The book's step-by-step approach demystifies complex accounting concepts, making it accessible and engaging. It is especially beneficial for individuals who are not formally trained in finance, but find themselves needing to make sense of financial reports or communicate financial information effectively. By covering a wide range of topics, from the basics of reading financial statements to the intricacies of financial planning and communication, this guide equips readers with the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. Ultimately, Edelson's work fosters a deeper understanding of the financial narrative behind the numbers, promising enhanced decision-making, strategic planning, and overall financial success. If you would like to support Thomas Edelson, you can buy the book through the Amazon link I've provided in the podcast description. After reading the book, please let me know what you think and share your thoughts. See you around.